Juliana, fun. Yeah. This place. Juliana, come here, please. That's how the whole place looks like. Very nice and cool place.
Hey guys, today is a new vlog and we're going to the new movie and then look at this teddy. Is it beautiful?
Okay guys, we are going today to a new place. Let's see if we can go to that lighthouse today, if we got time. Are you excited, Juliana?
Yes.
Let's go. We can go. Bye-bye. Juliana, are you excited to go to the place? Okay. Do you know where we are going, Juliana? Manukau Lighthouse. Let's see, guys. We are going to the lighthouse now. Hopefully it takes us another 1 hour. So, yeah, let's go. 1 hour, honey. Okay guys, we finally reached to the Manukau Lighthouse. Yes, please.
Look.
Wow. Juliana, tell me, are you excited?
Oh yeah.
We can park the car here and we can go up.
Daddy.
Yes. As Juliana is going to the stairs now. So, Juliana, let's see how many stairs you can go upstairs. Come on, keep going. You tired? Juliana finally here. You like this place?
Yeah.
How many more steps? Okay guys, Juliana having struggle now. We have to go 100 steps. You finally reach to this place, right? You want to check the lighthouse on the top? Let's go. It's very windy, I know. Come on, yes. Let's see if it's open, we can go upstairs, guys. Finally, this lighthouse opened after 1.5 years. I think probably 2 years. Let's see how it looks like. Open. Yeah, here we go. We are on the top of this place. Juliana, come here, please.